Hello everyone, welcome to Epic Bomb Kitchen. Today I am going to share with you a very popular delicious dish, chili chicken. I am taking 2 slices of chicken breast and I cut them into small sizes. Okay, first I will marinate the chicken with ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon soya sauce, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon white pepper, all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoon corn flour, 2 tablespoon. Coat them properly. Add little bit water, about 2 tablespoons. Now I will keep it in the fridge for 30 minutes. In the meantime, let me show you the other ingredients. For chili chicken, here I am taking some green onion I cut into long slices, some green bell pepper and red onion, 2 tablespoons chopped celery, 1 tablespoon spring onions bulbs, 2 slitted green chili, 1 tablespoon chopped ginger and 1 tablespoon chopped garlic, vegetable oil, sesame oil. Here I am taking 1 tablespoon cornstarch. Also you can use corn flour, 1 tablespoon soya sauce, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 1 tablespoon tomato sauce, half tablespoon green chili sauce, 1 tablespoon chili garlic sauce, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon white pepper, 1 teaspoon sugar and 1 teaspoon salt. Here I have some vegetable oil to deep fry the chicken. Let's heat up the oil. Fry the chicken on high heat. I will fry the chicken in 2 batches. Fry the chicken till it turns golden brown. One batch is done. Let me do the second batch. Remove them. Let me do the second batch. Fried chicken is ready. In the same pan, I am adding 2 tablespoons sesame oil. Once oil is hot, add ginger garlic, spring onion bulbs, celery, green chili. Keep the flame on high. Now add onion and bell pepper. Now add soya sauce, vinegar, green chili sauce, chili garlic sauce, tomato sauce, black pepper, white pepper, salt and sugar. Keep stirring for few minutes, but do not overcook the vegetables. I don't use Ajinomoto because Ajinomoto is not good for heart. I added the cornstarch into some water to dilute it. Now I am adding into the sauce. I am adding little bit water. I am making dry chili chicken. If you want gravy, you can add more water. Now I am going to add fried chicken. Mix it well. Add some green onion. Chili chicken is ready. Switch off the flame. Let me dish out. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you will like it. See you next time. Take care. Bye.